Hello, hello, welcome back to my page. My name is Brenda. Today we are going to be reviewing this beautiful one. So if you're interested to find out more information, stay tuned. This is Raye Slate from Sassy Misfits. And this is stunning. I missed out on this one the first time that she had it in stock. When she first brought it in, I wasn't sure of the color, but then I started seeing people reviewing it and I'm like, I missed out on that. So when she came back in stock, I grabbed this one. This is such a stunning Ash Brunette. I'm going to spin from all sides so you can see this from all sides. So here's the front, left side, back. Density is beautiful. Right side and front. So again, this is Raye from Sassy Misfits, and she's stunning. Take a look at the hairline. What hairline? Okay, and then the color. I can hardly wait to go outside for you guys to see the color of this one. So she is a 13 by 4, and I will show you that in just a minute here. She's the Japanese Kanakalan, heat-friendly synthetic fibers, and she's so soft. And I love the soft curl of the Raye style. It just looks soft and glamorous and very natural. I'm loving it. It is a 120% density. So yeah, very, very light, very natural, like very comfortable to wear, not heavy. It comes in 2 cap sizes. Right now she's sold out again. She has a small and then she has an average. I'm average. I have a 22-inch circumference and I want to show you how this fits me. Okay, so right there, it's like perfect to my measurements. Okay, and then again on this side, same thing. Look at that hairline as it goes down too. It's such a beautifully done hairline. It's just so natural. It's got that pre-plucked look to it and wonderfully, wonderfully done. It's 24 inches long. Now she does have some rays that have, this is like the medium length, and then I'm going to be showing another one later that is a Raye OG, and it's long. So it's a little bit longer, but this 24 inches, you guys, is a beautiful, beautiful length, very wearable. You can still put it up. You can still just enjoy it and do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so let's take this off so you guys can see the inside cap construction. And there's your 13 by 4. So you have lace that goes from ear to ear, and it is 4 inches from your hairline back. You have 2 combs, one at each ear, right here, 1 and 2. And then it also has a comb at the nape, the extended nape, hook adjusters, and it also comes with the added strap, which I don't need on this one. This one fits me very, very nicely, and it's also close wefted. I usually love the added strap, but I don't need it with this one. Let's put it back on. And this is definitely one that you could wear glueless. You do not have to glue it down. I will have my measurements listed down below for you guys so you can see, compare yourself to my measurements to see how this is going to fit you. But she's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's do some moving around here. Okay, right now I kind of have it centered. This is how it came, but you do have the option to move this to make it a left side, left to right. Isn't that pretty? It went right in my face. Okay, and let's go right to left. Just gotta follow where that lace is. There's your right to left for those of you who love the right to left. And then, you know, if you want to do the swooshing back to forth, you have that ability to do with this one. Okay, but isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go outside, take a look at Raye Slate in the daylight. and so you guys can get a true appreciation of this gorgeous Ash Brunette. All right, so this is Raye Slate in the shade. Look at the coloring, look at the rooting, hairline. Let's go into the sunshine now, just so you guys can see. Isn't that pretty? She's beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. So go put your name down on the notification list for when she is back in stock, and be one of the first ones to grab her. Bye, you guys. Bye.